Assalamu alaikum everyone. Pepe is in trouble. It actually looked like that for quite a while. I've given you one supply zone and the demand box here. So I do actually expect in the future prices to drop down into the demand box. We're not still doing too much. Bitcoin is also not doing anything that much at the moment. But if I show you Bitcoin on futures, which is BTC1 and an exclamation mark, is that what you call it? And then you have $39,000 gap right over here. This is something I noticed, and I'm pretty sure Bitcoin is looking to probably at least come down and fill $39,000, and who knows, you can actually even retrace all the way down to 35k. I may expect Bitcoin to do a $35,000 or maybe even $30,000 as the biggest sell-off. I don't really see 20,000 and 15,000 levels. I really don't see that happening, even though people may actually say it's going to happen. I don't really see that happening at all. Now, thing is, here you are, and here's your resistance. I gave you an update 2 days ago that yes, you pumped here, but that's the resistance that was met, right? So you got hammered, number one, went down, got hammered again, went down, you're getting hammered again, and you're coming in down. So eventually, today's weekend by the way, and eventually you're looking to probably go to the downside. You still have a few more days to close the weekly. So let's look at what the weekly looks like. And yeah, so the weekly is still hasn't really closed. You do have 1 day, 12 hours until Monday, and then we're going to see what really happens here. But I'm pretty sure that if you start to lose 9,623 on the weekly, then you are pretty much meant to go down there. So keep an eye on 9,623 if you are in a trade, because that's just a friendly suggestion that, you know what, if that gets taken away, this thing is pretty much going to slip down even more. And that's it for this very quick update today. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.